So I'm going to show you how to change the language of your Sony Smart TV, which is running Google TV, back to English from any language. Now, this is going to be very easy to follow just because the icons do not change. So what you want to do is scroll on the menu at the top and select the settings icon, this one right here. So select that. No matter the language, that icon will always open settings. And then you want to scroll down to the option that has this option that looks like a little screen. Whatever that means, that's going to be your system settings. So select that, and then you want to scroll to this option with a globe icon. Okay, now that's the language option. So select that, and then you'll see the list of languages. So all you have to do now is find English, select it, give it a couple of moments, maybe 2 to 3 seconds, and then you can now hit the back button and your Sony Smart TV should be back to English. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.